Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Maitri and welcome you again heartily. So guys, today I'm going to discuss you how you can save YouTube video with your gallery and you can share it. So guys, YouTube is the most popular website and here you can watch any type of video. So guys, there are no facility to download this video. You can download it offline mode but not save in your gallery. So guys, suppose you watching some video and one video you like and you want to download it in your gallery and you want to share it. So this facility not available in YouTube. So guys, I am going to share you how you can download this video with free and easily. So guys, let's start. Guys, start before I say you, if you not subscribe my channel, so please subscribe my channel because your subscription is my confidence. So why you let just hit subscribe button. So let's start. First you open YouTube and watch any video which is you like. So guys, that video get 1000 likes in Facebook just 1 hour. So I want to download this video. So now you just open it and so guys, here are option and you just click this arrow mark. So you just click this arrow mark and there are too many options available. So you just copy link. You just copy link and go back. Now you open your Chrome. Now you search here save from .net. Now this website is opening. Now the website is completely open. So now here is option enter the URL. So you just hold it and paste, which is previously you copied. So now I paste this link and search here. Yeah, that's the video I want to download it. So here there are download option. You can download here and there are too many options. Which format you want to download? Here are option available which format you want to download. So I want to download MP4 720 point. So that's my choice and you just click download. Now the video is downloading and wait to complete the download. My download process is progressing. So now the video is download complete. So now I want to open it and so guys, the video in my gallery. How you can check? You just go to your file manager and download history. And there's a file. We first download just some videos. We just open it. Now the video is in your gallery and you can watch it and share it. So guys, thanks for watching my video. So guys, don't forget to subscribe my channel and if you have any problem to just comment me, so I will try to solve your problem. So guys, bye bye. see you again in next video. So thank you. तो दोस्त इस सब्सक्राइब बटन को दबाइए और इस बेल आइकन को क्लिक कीजिए ताकि मेरा नया आता हुआ वीडियो सबसे पहले देखने के लिए